Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through Cross Roads, and Cross Roads is like a small city actually, but it's a very busy place in Jamaica. It's a town, not a city, but it actually marks the center of Kingston. The city of Kingston, this is geographically the center of it. And it's called Cross Roads because this is where 5 main roads intersect. So we're on Caledonia Avenue. If we were to turn left there, we'd go down to Marasca Road. And we're going to go straight ahead, and the road there intersect Slipe Road, Halfway Tree Road, and Old Hope Road. So the 5 roads intersect in Crossroads. So as you can imagine, it's a major transportation hub in Jamaica. So at this intersection now, we turn left, we go on to Slipe Road, we turn right, we go on to Hope Road, and we go straight across, we go on to Halfway Tree Road. And is it Hope Road? No, it's Old Hope Road. Hope Road runs from Halfway Tree. Old Hope Road runs from Cross Roads. So we're actually going on to Hope Road now, Old Hope Road, but we're not going all the way up. We're going to go back around and take a look at some of the landmarks in Halfway Tree, in Crossroads, such as the Carib Theatre, the clock, and the police station. Crossroads also has a hospital, the Nuttall Hospital. I think it's a private hospital now. Has a post office, but mainly it's a major transportation hub because of its geographic location being in the center of Kingston, and because the area around it is so busy. You want to get from downtown to Halfway Tree, which are probably 2 of the busiest places in Jamaica, you would pass through Crossroads. Also, there are a lot of schools in the Crossroads area. Yeah, it's a developed area. You have a hospital, you have a police station, movie theater, you have a banks. Alright, we're going back around again, but this time we're going to turn left onto Slipe Road. So straight ahead is the bus park, and a lot of taxis around the area because, as we said, it's a major transportation center. And then you're going to notice a clock when we turn left. Now that clock was built to commemorate the Jamaicans who died in the war. And here you can get a nice picture of the bus park, and here is the clock. And then behind the clock is the Carib Theatre, which is a movie theater in Jamaica. And if we turn right there, we would see the police station. But we're going down Slipe Road. You can see it's a very developed area, and this is a commercial park. Now in Jamaica, look at these cars parked on the road. Unbelievable. They've literally, this is a 2-lane road going down, you notice it turns into a 1-lane road right there, but just because the cars decide to block up the road. Alright, straight ahead now is National Heroes Circle, and that's National Heroes Park. Straight ahead. Now straight ahead is the Wilma's Boys School, one of the most prestigious schools in Jamaica. This school is actually the oldest school in Jamaica, and it was the first school built, I think the wording they used was Free Jamaica, where I'm not sure why they use that term, but I think it has something to do with slavery. But this school was built before slavery was, I'm not sure, but it's the oldest school in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.